Lava Mobiles has been on a roll lately with its budget device launches, and the Lava Bold is the latest addition to the brand's growing portfolio. The new device brings a curved 120Hz AMOLED display, MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 chipset, and a 64MP main cam. Lava Bold is built around a curved 6.67-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The device features a 16MP front-facing camera and an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. There's a 64MP main cam around the back joined by an unspecified auxiliary sensor. The phone boots Android 14 out of the box with an update to Android 15 promised in the coming months. You also get a 5000 mAh battery with 33W wired charging and an IP64 dust and water resistance. Lava Bold comes in sapphire blue and will launch with a special introductory price of 10,499 Indian rupees, $123, for the 4/128GB model. Lava will also offer 6/128GB and 8/128GB versions. Open sales are scheduled for April 8 on Amazon India.